Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, June 8, 2021. It is 8:12 and 15 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, T-cell immunity. And feel free to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Fundamental Advance in Understanding T-cell Immunity. Date June 7, 2021. Source, Monash University. Researchers have provided a fundamental advance regarding how T-cells become activated when encountering pathogens such as viruses. Researchers have found that T-cells need to recognize pathogens in a particular orientation in order to receive a strong activating signal. T-cells play a key role in the immune system by eliminating invading pathogens such as viruses, and it is crucial to understand the factors that determine how and why T-cells become activated after recognizing these pathogens. T-cells express on their surface a T-cell receptor, TCR, that recognizes and binds to virus fragments, antigens, presented by infected cells. This recognition event can lead to T-cell activation and killing of infected cells. The central issue is that there are millions of T-cell receptors, TCRs, in the human body, making it difficult to understand the rules around how T-cell receptor recognition of a virus drives T-cell activation. Indeed, it is a problem that has remained contentious for over 25 years. A research study has shown that the orientation in which the T-cell receptor binds is a primary factor determining whether the T-cell receives an activating signal. This is an advance in our fundamental understanding of how a T-cell needs to see pathogenic antigens in order to be activated. It has clarified a critical mechanism essential for effective cell immunity. It is also relevant to the ongoing development of immunotherapies that aim to boost the activation of T-cells. A combination of technologies, including super-resolution microscopy, X-ray crystallography at the Australian synchrotron, biochemical assays, and using in vitro and in vivo experimental models from a variety of labs led to the findings. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.